If you want to remove items from your Google Collections, here's the easiest way to do it. First, grab your phone and open the Google app. Make sure you're using the latest version and that you're logged into the correct Google account to ensure you're accessing the right collections. From the menu at the bottom of the screen, tap on the Activity option, which contains your recent actions and saved data linked to your account. Inside the Activity menu, scroll to find Collections and tap on it. This is where all your saved items are grouped into categories like images, websites, or ideas you've previously saved. Once inside Collections, select the specific collection containing the item you want to delete. Tap on that collection to open it and view all saved content. Carefully locate the item you wish to remove and tap the three dots icon near it to access more options. When the pop-up menu appears, select Remove or Delete, and the item will be removed from your Google collection. That's it! Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.